I think, did you show my video, last video to your parents? मार पड़ी हुई शायद, पक्का। अब वो वीडियो के बाद थोड़ा पेरेंट्स अपसेट हुए होंगे ना, तो थोड़ा हम उनके काम की भी बात करते हैं। I have spent only 22 years teaching some talented Newtons like you. Only 22 years. Now when I use the word Newton, no, I know how many things you have invented in your last 11th standard exam. So many times Mr. Newton must have thought that he should come down and surrender all the awards and rewards that he perhaps achieved throughout his life. With that kind of innovative approach, perhaps 100% we will not survive in 12th. Perhaps 100%. Which means we need to go back and revise certain important concepts of 11th standard which are directly going to help us in 12th. So from 24th April or almost a week's time, in practical subjects accounts and maths, we will be only revisiting 11th standard concepts. More to come. See you soon.